Comrades, since 2012, when the Pensioners Association was formed with the initial conference at Nagpur at the initiation of IBOC, who thought that there should be an exclusive retirees organization. Since then, IB Park, first with Comrade Sen Gupta, General Secretary, and after his demise and departure, Comrade Suprito Sarkar has been handling the affairs at the industry level issues, the All India body, along with Comrade Acharya Ji, the President of our IB Park station at Calcutta. Comrades, we have been circulating the information or circulars about the activities. Of course, as you know, there are several demands from our side. The first and foremost is the pension updation, you all know well. So the 24th November, there was a dharna by the pensioners across the country at Jantar Mantar. Thousands of senior citizens and super senior citizens have participated. And of course, there was a continuation of that agitation which started then with the dharna programs being conducted at various states. The Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Ahmedabad, Assam, Kolkata, Muzaffarnagar, Jaipur, like this, many states conducted the dharna programs, and our AP and TG unit of IB Park also is planning to conduct such a dharna program on 11th morning at Dharna Chowk, Hyderabad. Please kindly participate. It is not an easy thing coming from far off places in Hyderabad and sitting for a dharna program for 4 or 5 hours. It is not an easy task, but what to do? Unfortunately, the government or the IBA has left the senior citizens and super senior citizens to the fate. The issue of pension updation has not been focused to the extent required or expected by the retirees. It is a very unfortunate thing. At this age of 70, 80, people are forced to show their anguish through dharnas. It is a very unfortunate affair. Though, with the same government permission, RBI has got the pension updation and they are giving to the central government. Unfortunately, we are the last in the queue for this cause. Many issues were involved, like the Singla case and other issues. Comrade Suprito Sarkar will be dealing exhaustively on this issue. At the IB Park level or federation level, Comrade Chandu, Comrade Kuppuswamy as General Secretary, Comrade Murthy as All India President, they have been doing their best at the management level with Indian Bank. There are several issues, small, big, medium, everything, right from taking the paying pension on the last day of the month to non-receiving of ID cards or whatever it is, non-sanction of family pensions. All these things, this may look small, but only the affected person know the pain of it for not being attended to. We know it, we are doing our best to address these issues at the management level. Unfortunately, whether you are in service or you are retirement, management is a management. It is all eyewash, and the sympathy is not with genuine concern. They say so many things on the dais, on the platforms, forums, in the consultative committee meetings. There are big pages of conclusions, everything. But unfortunately, for the actual giving some benefit to the retirees is not done with this sincerity and readiness by the managements, not only in our bank. It is the same situation with other banks. Okay, retirees, we don't contribute anything to the bank, they may think. But many of the kith and kin, the sons, daughters, daughter-in-laws, they were contributing to most deposits not less than 10 to 15% to each bank. It is not exclusive to our bank. Still, they think retirees' cause is a useless cause or an expenditure cause, not a welfare measure. That is the thinking of the managements anywhere and elsewhere. Okay, pensioners, maybe you have that. What about the serving officers? These times in the last month itself, we have seen 2 officers committing suicide by the coercive management attitude in several banks. If this is the situation, what we can expect? We can fight, we can argue, we can show our agony, we can show our protest, we can shout at the pitch of our voice. Unless the young executives like our Pranesh Kumar Garu or whoever in the helm of the affairs and who has the ear of the respective MDs and EDs who are the compromising body of the IBA, they should understand what is the crux of the pension updation, why we are after that. At this, with the increase in the cost of living, particularly the medical expenditure that is faced by several retirees is beyond their affordability. Maybe a 5% or 10% of officers community who retired may afford because of various comforting financial factors. But definitely not the lower rung of the pensioners, family pensioners. They are left to the lurch. The 40 premium shelled down out of the pockets to the IBA insurance scheme is a burden like anything. Along with the serving officers or the serving staff, the individual management should come out to bear the premium amount for the pensioners also. That is the genuine demand of the retirees. All these things only can happen, can come into a reality only if the executives and the management wholeheartedly come out with this, because they are also pensioners only. The new pension scheme, first retiree, may come only after 2045. Until such time, those who retire are under the old pension scheme only. Maybe some of us may pass away with that. But the younger pensioners that are going to join the stream, at least they will get the benefit of it. These are certain issues. Of course, the issue of special allowance, we have seen. The Supreme Court has transferred all the cases to Delhi High Court, you know it. In spite of the caution to the members not to go and waste money with the frivolous suit filing as advocated by some of the retiree organizations. We have been cautioning them because a bipartite settlement agreed upon, a part of it cannot be denied. When you sign, it is binding totally on all the parties. So it should be solved through negotiation, bipartite negotiation only, not the courts. That is my opinion, and there are several court cases supporting this case. And of course, we have seen the fate of the commutation restoration. Many, around 2,000, 2,400 cases were struck down because it is related to a regulation, pension regulation. Unless the regulations are amended, it is not possible to reduce the commutation period as wished by many of the people. So these are some issues. We should be careful and we should not waste our good money on these bad causes. Please see that we are trying to educate or inform our members. It is in our best interest to be united and to see that support the cause of the retirees through the forums available to us, through All India Indian Bank Pensioners Association at Chennai and through All India Bank Pensioners and Retirees Confederation at the industry level. We should strengthen their hands, even though we are a little bit aged, but we don't lack the spirit or the fighting attitude. You can learn from Comrade Kuppuswamy. You know what is his first union post in which year? 1967. Many of you would not have born. That is the spirit and the example of fighting nature that we should have.